creating wealth and financial freedom isn't as challenging as many people believe. All you need is the correct information and an open mind. Warren Buffett has proven time and time again that you can make money from suitable investments. In today's video, we will simplify it to 3 easy steps to multiply $750 in 2024.
The biggest thing in making money is time. You don't have to be particularly smart, you just have to be patient. Susie didn't want to wait as much as I did, but she never quite appreciated compounding like I did.
That is a disagreement we have. I run a foundation now. I think we should be giving more money away. But I understand why we don't, because it's business. To me, the crux of it is that it wasn't the money itself. You can see that in the way he lives.
Before we begin, it is important for us to know that no matter how you invest your $750, taking advantage of compound interest is essential. The famous Warren Buffett once attributed his achievements to this principle. He said, "My life has been a product of compound interest." It is in line with the words of Albert Einstein, who referred to compounding as the 8th wonder of the world, and he is correct. Compound interest allows your initial deposit to gain interest. Interest is calculated on the initial deposit plus interest or accumulated interest in future periods. After a few years, you can imagine your initial deposit growing a lot. It might seem like magic, but this is what we are about to do with our $750. Now, let's get down to our 3 steps. First, you must take out $500 to buy and sell secondhand goods online. Look for secondhand goods that are in good condition and have resale value. You can find them through various sources like thrift stores, garage sales, online classifieds, or even from your belongings. Clean and prepare the items for resale. Ensure they are in good condition, repair any damages, and make them presentable for potential buyers. Take quality photographs that showcase the items accurately. Select an online platform to sell your secondhand goods. Popular options include eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, or Depop. Research which platform suits the type of items you are selling and the target audience you want to reach. Create attractive and detailed listings for your items. Write clear and accurate descriptions highlighting the key features, conditions, and any unique selling points. Use high-quality photos that display the items from multiple angles. Research the market to determine competitive prices for similar items. Consider factors like the condition, brand, age, and demand. Set reasonable prices that attract potential buyers while ensuring profitability for yourself. To increase visibility, share your listings on social media platforms, community groups, or relevant online forums. Use relevant hashtags, engage with potential buyers, and respond promptly to inquiries. Respond to inquiries and messages in a timely and professional manner. Be transparent and honest about the condition of the items. Package and ship the items securely and promptly after receiving payment. Strive to maintain positive seller ratings and feedback. Provide a pleasant buying experience to your customers. Address any issues or concerns promptly and aim for customer satisfaction. Consistently search for new opportunities to source secondhand goods. Watch for popular items or trends that can fetch a higher resale value. Expand your product range to attract a wider audience. Continuously learn and adapt your strategies based on customer feedback, market trends, and sales performance. Stay updated with the latest online selling practices to maximize your success in online reselling. After doing this several times, you will have amassed some profits and increased your funds.
If you're working with a small sum, you have thousands and thousands of potential opportunities, and when we work with large sums, we have relatively few.
Next, we have micro-investing apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood, allowing you to invest small amounts of money in various stocks and exchange-traded funds. The extra money earned so far can be put into these apps. Micro-investing platforms are financial tools that enable individuals to invest small amounts of money into various financial instruments, such as stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. These platforms often allow users to start investing with minimal amounts, sometimes as low as $1, and they may offer fractional shares, which means you can buy a portion of a stock rather than a whole share. They're designed to make investing more accessible to people who might not have large sums of money to invest initially. It is more challenging for you to invest small amounts in a diversified way, so micro-investing aggregates money from many people to create a pool that can invest in a more diversified way. The idea is that not everybody will withdraw their change simultaneously. This creates a float for the company to invest. The company usually will give clients a choice of aggressive, moderate, or conservative portfolios. The company just reallocates the gains and losses to the client based on their choice in the app. The key is that the company may earn more than the amount of gains they pay clients, so they are essentially borrowing money from clients and making clients pay a fee for lending them money. This is why it is very lucrative for companies to do micro-investing. As such, if the diversified portfolio earns money, investors will earn some interest on this portfolio. Usually, a diversified portfolio will earn lower returns, but have lower volatility too. With the increase in our funds, real estate crowdfunding is another investment opportunity that can be explored. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest small amounts of money in real estate projects. One of the most challenging parts about raising capital for a project is simply finding the people and those people who have money. Crowdfunding sites bring that to you, and as long as you have a good proposal, you have a good chance of getting it funded. Early adopters of real estate crowdfunding aim to create an online place where people who need money initially, house flippers, could meet people who have it. However, in contrast to venture capital, it suggested an opportunity to fund low seed capital. This breakthrough innovation killed two birds with one stone. On the one hand, average house flippers or building developers who had no chance to attract interest from financial tycoons could be funded. On the other hand, average investors with a few $1,000s in their pocket now have the chance to become stakeholders and ensure the possibility of annual passive incomes from rent or selling real estate. So, the very idea of real estate crowdfunding is to equalize people with different assets, allowing all to become property shareholders and rely on lucrative yields in the future. With little or no funds, you can also become a property locator. What this means is you get to search out deals for wholesalers. It does not require a considerable capital. You are good to go with a little from the money made so far. You can do it by spreading the word with your friends and relatives. Properties can also be located by driving through neighborhoods and looking for properties that appear to be abandoned or in bad shape. Door knocking is also a good technique. The leads are then provided to wholesalers who will pay you anywhere from $250 to $1,000 for each completed transaction. All you would have to spend is the cost of gas to drive around neighborhoods, maybe some business cards, and your time. The next step is for you to take actions. Which of these ideas did you least expect to be on this list? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.